Welcome back to Acid Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the world. Wazobia Max UHF 57, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. We dey talk and say if you dey watch the program and you dey hear all the current discussion and information wey they drop, abeg spread the word, tell your loved ones say on top of these two platforms when I mention now, they fit watch us. Wazobia Max UHF 57, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV. And you fit watch us on top of internet in case you know dey with your television set. The one who carry come get to do with the talk when we say the Minister for Labour and Employment, Dr. Chris Nwabweze, he talk about those when we say that they criticize the government. He talk say anybody when look this government now, talk say it be like say the work of the government they slow or they not do well. Say the person, if they check them, now PDP member. We they check say, share people not go talk again, make them talk brand them as PDP people, or people go check the way when they talk, make it not be like say that they bring down government.
And in all honesty, make we also spot out this one. We know when the opposition did, that is PDP, be their power. We know the height of talk where people talk. And we know the height of backup where this current government back people where they talk that time up. So, okay, the people are complaining. What is this government doing about people's needs? And what is this government doing addressing on the issue of insecurity and all that? We know the height of support when I give the ordinary masses that time. Right now, this is not a case of the reverse. Okay, let me say the reverse being the case. But let me say now oppositions, they talk. These are still the same set of Nigerians who complained that time. Now, then still they complain right now. You understand? Okay, if for instance, we don't get ministers, but budget, they never approve. You understand? I mean, budget never look, they never go around to say, okay, make them start their work. Okay, we get Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us from Amsterdam. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Well, good morning.
Good morning.
The topic here, one thing where the present government need to understand is complain, opposition party always complain. So that I want to when they get to understand. So yes, there's no year when political party day, when the opposition, anything what you do, the opposition party they find and say the other party they do well. So then I want to when they get to understand. Not everything when they comment on they get to reply. You know, so their own be say one thing you got to understand about complaint. When more complaint they come, it means say you get to do your work. Then the citizen now will call judge. You understand me now? In terms of corruption, the government they do a good, fantastic job. Would they say and say yes, everybody in Nigeria, every Nigerian they praise them for fantastic job what they do for corruption, fighting against corruption. You know, because the job of fighting corruption is bigger than any other thing. A big part to construct road because if you say you give contract to construct road, now see the corruption people not go do the road. So corruption is a big fight for the government when they fight. We'll give them kudos for that one. Then in terms of promises, not be everything where the government promise you they come to pass. They can promise you for campaign we go do this, but when they reach there, when they see the way the condition of the country be. Just for instance, I look Nigeria now, the way the condition be, it not be time for saying you go feel forfeit every promise is when you give out. So you get to tackle them one by one. The important one you go to tackle the come. So now the federal government, I plead with federal government, me they try to tackle the light. The light be the most bigger one. If they can tackle the light, it will create more job. Finish. That's what I see for instance.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for that contribution.
Okay, Oya, which party in there?
He's a neutral person.
He's a neutral what?
He's a neutral person.
Maybe we go carry this talk when he talk. Give our Ogbonge minister, make him judge which party in there. Oga Igo, they call us from Abuja. See Nigerians contributing to this discussion. I'm leading you now. It's 3-0. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to Ask It Hot.
Oga Shukudi, I greet you. Dr. Shukudi, I greet you.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
The controversial Okubi, I greet you. Good
morning.
Good
morning.
Not only for election, now they talk truth. After election, truth is finished. Also, the matter of this issue, I'm going to let Nigerians say, there's nobody who say they're perfect. The only person they're perfect, now be God ready forever. Even though say the government promise, say they go do this, so they go do this song. We know so they be politicians. They must promise so that make them vote them. This government, not they go 10 months. But I never see one team when they say they come out, even during their campaign, come out to say, no first to see this song. Waiting the people they answer. With the answer, where answer big thing? Good road, light, water. if you bring all those things, come, I tell you, even down to even the last village for each of the states, development go enter if we get that light. They go enter. We don't need for plenty things. Not when somebody go tell us, say, you want to import grass, say you want to feed cow. Nobody's kind of 1 year. All those things, they know people to hear. 10 months, that is for something when they go do. Let them stop referring to the past government or anything. Fast square, past government. This will not do past government. Whether hot, past government. Let them do their own this thing. Then I wish I get to talk for this government. Thank you very much.
Okay, Igbo,
thank you very much for this, your important contribution. You see, Nkubi, it's really very, very easy. It's very, very simple. The tide is against you. Oga Oke from Calabar, welcome to As It Hurts.
Hello. Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Oke.
Good morning, Mr. Nkobi.
We hear you.
Hello.
Right on.
Hello.
We hear you.
How are they?
We fine.
All right.
Where they call us from?
More. Hello.
We hear you, Oga Oke.
All right. You see, in Nigeria, whenever we get new government, it just be like say where you carry water. Nobody to give monkey water be the problem. Now to do what? To collect and the cup back. That be the wahala. They go promise us heaven and earth. But when they sit down, they turn tiger. It's not proper. Me as I did, I know the bear flag of any political party. But I get right because Nigeria our diversity. I get right to complain, to talk about what is not going right in my dear country. Anywhere I am, I preach about Nigeria. I talk good about Nigeria. So I don't see why those people were supposed to preach more, talk more, make things work out more
Better, yes.
for Nigeria. When they condemn our dear country. No. Now time for them to do the necessary things, do things to work out for Nigeria, so that we, the ones coming up, will also enjoy. Because their own now, they are not even fighting on their own, but they are building for their own, their generation to come. Thank you. And may God continue to bless.
Okay, thank you very much for being a true Nigerian where we say we want to make things better for our country. We go always talk Nigeria on our own, nobody get that, nobody anybody personal estate. So if any leader not play a role well, it is our right as Nigerians to do it, to make the man say, Oga, you never do what you promise us. Make you do them, address them. Now that time, we will not say yes. At least we get people where they listen to us. We get Oga Alex. Oga Alex, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Alex, long time no see. Or long time we never hear from you.
Good morning, Chukudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Alex.
At least now cut off now, say when they start time. I believe they start time get a wider coverage and network now. Hello?
We they hear you, Oga Alex.
And then we will subscribe to start time now. Since they go TV. We don't fit ourselves again. And so they use this medium, this opportunity of calling back.
Okay.
At least Mona convey a message to the management. At least Mona come back to the shadow where would they take the issue now.
But Oga Alex, we don't get terrestrial now for Abuja even.
Hello?
We don't get terrestrial for Abuja. If you search your television, you will get us.
Okay.
Yes. So Oga Alex, what do you get to contribute for the matter?
What are we discussing this morning?
Okay, we dey talk about the statement where the Honorable Minister of Labour, that's Oga Ngige talk, where he talk say, everybody where they complain, say this government wey dey try, say them be members of the PDP.
Hello?
You hear, Oga Alex, you hear what I talk?
Come on again.
I say, the Honorable Minister of that is Labour, talk say, that's Oga Ngigi, talk say, look, anybody where they complain, say this government, no they try, say that person, where they complain, that person a member of the PDP.
Hello? Okay. You see, Nkubi, you know that I've been legislating, say, look, see this government, now the first 1 year be this, now the first 1 year, so I detail say, if you dey build house, you go lay foundation. So everything when they happen in this government, and they look at the foundation building, we not go feel spend them now. Either 50 or 100%.
But where they look at it, I believe the government is on course. You see, are they talking? If we are expecting more from the government, we will disappoint ourselves. Maybe the government will disappoint us. And want the government, they are performing in 2 key areas. The power. And then the corruption will make Buhari straight up to the core. And because with the study that happens, the revelation coming on a daily basis, people being arraigned. So it should be sustained. It is good for democracy. Because we said introduce a massive check and balance policy in Nigeria. So if one people come up, PDP, and it's got to be do that issue now. And then you go, let's say, people when they rule now, they go in with integrity and credibility. I thought that is my take. Money.
Okay. Alex, thank you very, very much.
This your contribution make plenty sense. You just talk and say, as the people, if we check the activities of those when we say they represent us for the various political parties, now we go be the final people to use joy, say, okay, this thing when these people they do now the right thing, or this one when these people they do, they need to go learn more. It go very, very important, make we point them out, say, if you dey government, you dey loyal to the government because you be part of them. But the greater responsibility now to the people when we say you they represent. If people look particular situation, talk say they don't like the way anything be. Even if you no criticize the government when you dey part of directly because of the way when we say government they work, it go good make you go back. Check some of the things when the people they talk, can't see as the thing go be. Because at the end of the day, if you they canvass for votes, now the people when go put you there, you come meet, come ask, say, I beg, you don't see the work we don't do, vote for us. So if they complain, they ask for more, it go good make we give them what they want. And also, the fact that you be member of opposition or no be una dey government, it no mean say everything when government they do, you go they find fault inside. You get what they call critique. They say you go look the work of government, you go analyze, you go bring out the pros and the cons, you go look the advantages or the disadvantages of a government, the merits and the demerits. You can't check the two side by side, can't give advice on how the thing go there, because if it don't better for you, it don't better for everybody. Abiodun, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Abiodun, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Abiodun, good morning.
Like say the network no agree Abiodun to make a contribution.
Chukudi, you don't state something where they're very important. But then, make we also talk and say, okay, fine, as an individual, or rather as people then they lead, it is a right to say, okay, we don't spot out the good things with a particular government don't do, but make we also spot out the bad things. Okay, but in the case of them waiting they play out right now, okay, it is a right as well as citizens of the country. So they make demands. So they call for government to do it, to put things where they're supposed to do. Okay, complaining to me, now part of the system. Complaining now part of it, they put government on seat to say, okay, we need to do more. Okay, no expect the people where they lead to just sit down, fold hands, just they watch you. Just they look, you make it a rule, lead as you want. It does not work that way.
True.
Governance is about integral. That's how they say it interwoven. This hand watch this hand, this other hand watch this hand. Now so governance be. Now so government, the issue of governance, now so it be. So it is our right to keep demanding. And it is also your own right to also tell us, okay, see how far we don't go, see what we don't achieve. Rather than to come they find blame, they put on top of us. Make we no talk.
But this talk where they talk, if you talk directly to the person when talk, no come
I have said it either way.
Make you talk directly to them. No come here they talk like say this thing. Akin they call us from Ogun State. I know you in and out. Oga Akin from Ogun, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot. Maybe you are the best for.
Hello?
Hi.
Good morning, Oga Akin.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Akin.
About the statement made by the minister, I will not say he's right about it. But at the same time, sir,
Okay.
let's put it this way.
Okay.
Like what we are talking about the fuel now. Can we build a refinery within 8 months or 7 months? If we cannot build a refinery within 8 months or 9 months, then we need to blame the past regime for it. They will have said, if they have run this country for 4 or 5 years, they will have been in charge. In place to put those things in proper form. I think you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, you will understand.
So, on this case of fuel scarcity or inability of this country to produce its fuel, I will blame the past government. Because I don't expect this new government to build a refinery within
A few months so they're in power.
Thank you and God bless you.
Mm-hmm. Aki, thank you very much for that contribution. You don't also talk in the same way you address other issues we raised yesterday. In the same way they address this other one where we they present today. That the issue of governance is okay. Make we just see if to get to a state, if our government don't do things where they're supposed to, then we feed the voice that they complain. We get IK they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, IK.
Hello.
Good morning. Will they hear you, IK?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. IK, I beg, raise your voice up.
Okay. The thing that the matter what I bring now, when they hear me so. The matter what I bring okay.
Okay.
Very good, but maybe we just go back from history. The man, that is female. In the 2008, it was the president of PDP from 1998 to 2003 when he took over as governor of Anambra State from 2 November. So he just yesterday we just joined our opposition. He's now complaining, and he's the one that can ask for votes all over the country. So he don't see the suffer of people. Say APC they ready to take over. APC ready to suffer. Now, what people they complain, they say they complain that it's loyalist. The thing is that the situation where they queue, now all PDP members they queue there. The market where they go buy a barrel of rice, where would they buy small money before, don't go high. So all those things, now only PDP members they go market, they go buy them. It's unfair, man. It's unfair, even though they do what your paymaster wants, because now person where they pay you, now they defend. You go try to look down on you. Will say you won't rule Anambra State. You know the suffer of people. You say you won't rule them as the governor. You suppose know if you know they divert our attention. That's the problem of this government. When we want to criticize them, they go divert our attention. They will bring one big money, say somebody give them, so that we know they talk waiting they go on. You know good. Let us try to know say election they come again.
Yes, so
and our PVC still there on board.
Still there with us,
still
yes.
Clean. And still they clean. So what do we want now? What I want make this government do say let they do away with, because Jordan can talk and say now he be the most criticizing the government for this whole world.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much for this your contribution where you don't drop down. And then the issue of government, just as we talk, now continual thing. Make people know they take something, they distract us. When they do what they're supposed to do. We get Madam Ifoma, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Ifoma.
Good morning, Kubi. Good morning, Chukode.
I agree to you, Ifoma.
Will they hear you?
The problem where they ground is we know they won't tell ourselves the truth. That's the problem we are having.
Okay.
Even me as I did, my papa they do something. If my father they do something they do and wrong, I go tell and say, Papa, this way they do know they right. But if you they clap for your father all the time, your father not gonna know when they do wrong and when they do right. Now, I don't belong to any party, and I don't even pray to belong to any party, but I they vote. Anytime I started voting when I was in secondary school. I they vote because now my right.
Yes.
But when I see you, they go wrong. I go try to call you to order. You are going wrong here. If we not tell you say you they go wrong, you're not going to say you they do wrong, and you're not going to know what to do for us. But when we tell you say you they go wrong, then you go turn back, say, I don't they do go wrong, go. Let me go back so that I will be able to do something for these people. Even if not be the one where you promise. But when we they complain, you try to look at the side where we they complain from. Then you try to do something about it. I just pray God help us in this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Madam Ifoma.
If she contests election, I go vote for her.
You don't do. We don't hear you. You don't do.
You know what she talk?
And we hear her now, Madam Informa, she be person say she normally talk her mind. They talk through. Now waiting good for our country Nigeria. Now she always they do it. Now she always address. I understand. But make we address this matter rather than to come they win come they try draw attention, feel like say you be better person. He say if you contest election, you say you go vote for him. What do you mean? Welcome back to Acid Hot. From here where we stand, so now the final bus stop on top of today's program, now we see.
Make we break them down, make everybody understand. Since we start the program, una go see the fireworks as it get to do with the statement when we say the Minister for Labour and Employment, Dr. Chris Nwabweze Ngige, make about say those when we say that they criticize government, they be members of the People's Democratic Party. We don't argue that particular one. I dey happy say Unkubi start from the same page with me today. Talk say this kind talk no dey good because if Nigerians they express themselves just like they give praise to government, it go good make we accept, look back and see how we go take correct them. But it go also dey good make we point them out say if we look the work of government, government no be something way simple like ABC. It go good make as we dey look am. Even though we dey talk say e be like say this leg go una carry, e no good o. But make una do this particular thing. Oga Bobby wey call us all the way from Amsterdam, he talk say left for am. If you check over 100, say the fight against corruption, he go give am like 99. But he can talk say light matter. Now something when we say government suppose use speed address because if they address the issue of light, other things go improve. I can't ask Nkubi say, as Oga Bobby don't talk this one now, talk this one. We say he's a member of the PDP. This is what we are talking about. This is what we are talking about.
And that is why Nigerians need to do it, to continue to raise their voices, they make demands.
Thank you. And that is why person when they government, no go they come out, they talk, say, people when they talk this kind of thing, they remember
and that is why we are here to kick against.
And that is why we go take Tunde calling us from Abuja. That is what. That is what. Oga Tunde from Abuja. Welcome to us in the hut. That is what. Somebody is on the phone and saying.
Wait, make we hear Tunde Jare. Tunde, good morning.
Good morning, my brother. You are well done now.
Thank you, Oga Tunde.
Sir, I want to contribute to the matter.
You are on. We hear you.
Yeah, God bless you all. Sir, the issue is that issue of giving people 5,000 naira, it will make a lot of our youth to corrupt. Are you getting my point?
We hear you.
Because by doing nothing and collecting feeding money, they will abandon any work that they are seeing. But as we have been struggling for a long time to work and get what we need, are you getting my point? If government can support us with what we are doing, are you getting my point? It will be better. And the issue of non-employment, government should tackle that issue very well.
Thank you.
You know, where there is no hunger, there is no bad character. That is what I want to say.
Oga Tunde, thank you very, very much for this talk when you don't talk. Left for me, I for just talk say, make we just end this program for here.
Because
this talk when Oga Tunde talk, now what do they call?
Madam, if I'm not talking, he talks if left alone. Say you go do it. Now Tunde don't call. Talk his own. The same way where every other person will don't call.
I go vote for Madam Ifoma. I go vote for her if she contests election. Gideon, they call us back from Ajegule. Make him give you the final knockout.
Now you go give knockout.
Oga Gideon, welcome to Aside Hut.
Gideon, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, Gideon, talk to us.
What I would say is that everybody, good morning.
Will they hear you?
Okay, wait till me, I want to talk to say, now Ajegule me I dey stay.
Okay.
And the suffer for everywhere, the day everywhere. Now everybody they scam and now everybody they say as they do. So if Chris Ngige, Minister of Labour or what, they were in there say people where they if Chris Ngige, they were in there say people where they complain are PDP people. It is not fair. Because we in Ajegule, we are really suffering. Pure water now is now 320 naira. As in to buy rice is costly. Everything in Ajegule is very cost. And I'm not a member of any party, I'm a student. The suffering is everywhere. Everybody can see, except them up there. They cannot see anything because they are in the assembly after of them, nothing. They don't know what is happening to the masses here. They are really suffering. If there is any way people can put this thing across to them, they can still come to the areas, do statistics, come and interview people. They will know that people are really suffering. This one is no matter of I'm a PDP. Even APC are also complaining about the economy of Nigeria. So they should please try and rectify everything. God bless you now.
Thank you very much, Oga Gideon, for this contribution.
Thank you with the one when we say, you just carry this talk, just wrap up all the thing when we talk. As we always talk, I'm saying Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Even though, based on, say, democracy, people no go must share the same opinion when you share. It go good, maybe we say, at the end of the day, we go balance all the talk we don't talk, and place them down. Dr. Chris Nwabweze Ngige, Honorable Minister, you do well for the office where you dey because Nigerians wan make you do better. But e go good make you be say as you dey talk, you no go just dey blame everything on the opposition because if Nigerians dey express themselves na the beauty of democracy because dem dey see wetin you dey do and dem dey talk make you do better. Nkubi, I wan appreciate you say.
No appreciate. Abeg you know. See, tomorrow when we go come again with another ogbonge issue wey dey interesting, wey we go fit relate with as Nigerians. From you, Ebi Nkubi. Una bye bye. You appreciate me.
But
you appreciate what I appreciate.
But I finish you today.
Don't you ever tell me you finish me. Don't you ever tell me you finish me. If you ever tell me say you finish me,
if you know say na just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.